video here of tips for blade replacement on the SaMASZ cutter bar. So the first step, this recess here, make sure that's clean, free from dirt and grass. The blade retainer actually has to press down into that cavity, so if that's full of dirt and grass, it's going to be very difficult to try and remove the blade. The holder tool sits on the headstock of the machine. Always inserts from the right hand side, and make sure you put it all the way in at 90 degrees, not at an angle or only half in. Make sure it comes the whole way. Press down, the blade will come out. It's an actual pressing down and back to get the blade out. It actually sits in a little hook, so it won't just lift off straight. You got to push down and back, and it's the opposite. Push it in, pull it up to you, and let it all go.